Welcome to IABS IAS Academy. Today we are going to discuss about Press Information Bureau's 16th July news. Union HRD Minister and Ministry of State for HRD jointly launched the first online Nishtha program for 1200 key resource persons of Andhra Pradesh. The minister highlighted that around 23,000 key resource persons and 17.5 lakhs teachers and school heads have been covered under this Nishtha face-to-face mode till date. The minister informed that due to COVID-19 pandemic situation, sudden lockdown has affected the conduct of the program in face-to-face mode. Therefore, for providing training to remaining 24 lakhs teachers and school heads, Nishtha has been customized for online mode to be conducted through Diksha and Nishtha portals by NCRT. Why it is in news today? The first online Nishtha program for 1200 key resource persons of Andhra Pradesh was launched by Union HRD Minister Sri Ramesh Pokhriya Nishank and Minister of State for HRD Sri Sanjay Dhotri virtually in New Delhi today. While addressing the participants, the HRD minister said that the Nishtha is a national initiative for school heads and teachers' holistic advancement at the elementary stage under Samagra Siksha, a central government's flagship program of MHRD to improve learning outcomes. The minister added that the Nishtha in face to face mode was launched on 21st August 2019. Thereafter, 33 states and union territories have launched this program in their states, union territories in collaboration under Samagra Siksha. In 29 states, the Nishtha training program has been completed by NCRT at the state level. In 4 states, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir, and Bihar, the training at the state level is still in progress. In 2 states, it is yet to be launched. District level teacher training program has been initiated in 23 states and union territories. Nishtha focus on holistic development of children and hence uh, include curriculum and inclusive education, health and well-being, personal social qualities, art, integrated learning, innovatives in school education, subject-specific pedagogies, ICT in teaching, learning, leadership, preschool education, pre-vocational education, etc. All the modules are centered around learning outcomes and learner centered pedagogy. This will not only help in enhancing learning outcomes of students but also in their all-round development. Nishta online mode includes multiple approaches for interaction. While there are text modules along with videos, there will also be live sessions by national level resource persons on DTH Swayam Prabha TV channel. Interactive voice responsive system IVRS will also be utilized for interaction with teachers. In Nishta face to face first level training has been provided by National Resource Groups (NRG) to the key resource persons KRPs and state resource persons leaderships SRPLs identified by the states and union territories. The NRG has been constituted and originated by the NCRT, drawing members from the NCRT, NIPA, and KVS. KRPs and SRPs have provided training directly to teachers at block level, reducing the cascading effect of training. We very well know that technology can't replace good teachers, but good teachers assisted by technology can do wonders in transforming education. Since the world has been developing at a rapid pace, in order to be in sync with this fast evolving world, our teachers also need to constantly upgrade their worldview, understanding, and methods of teaching. It is imperative on us to enable this as an ever continuing process across the country in the most effective manner. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for daily PIB AAR Hindu news analysis. Thanks.